Hello. Only 7 cadets have joined. Let me take the attendance. Dattatreya.
Present, sir.
Good. Pramod.
Present, sir.
Pawan.
Present, sir.
Nishan. Nishan. Where is Nishant? Hello. Nishant. Rohit.
Present, sir.
Sagar.
Sir.
Where is Sagar? Okay. Vishal.
Present, sir.
Okay. Now switch off your cameras. Let us move to the class, right?
Present, sir.
Okay. Who is this fellow? Who is this fellow?
Sagar, sir. Sagar.
Is okay. Can you see my screen is shared or not?
Yes, sir.
Now let
Yes,
us
sir.
see what curriculum is left now for the term 1, because we have only two classes. We have only two classes, right?
Yes, sir.
Today and tomorrow, 13th onwards vacation. What I thought is, I can take some classes during vacation to complete the term 1 syllabus, right? If you are interested, otherwise no. Okay, now let us check
Sir, when
what is
will
the
be exam,
term,
sir?
what is the term 1 syllabus, right?
Okay, yes, sir. Exam, sir. When will be exams?
Exam dates were awaited. I think within
Yes, sir.
within 2-3 days we'll get the clear cut dates, right?
Okay.
Along with the 12th only, your 11th will also be conducted, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. Now
Okay.
see, computer system and organization that you have completed.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
In computational thinking, and this is what I am discussing, is term 1 curriculum, right?
Yes, sir.
In programming 1, computational thinking and programming 1, introduction to problem solving we have completed.
Yes, sir.
Familiarization with the basics of Python programming,
Yes, sir.
knowledge of data types,
Yes, sir.
operators,
Yes, sir.
expressions, types of errors, under flow of control, conditional statements, if else, right?
Yes, sir.
Then in iterative statements, for loop and while loop, jump statements, break, continue, right?
Yes, sir.
The only part left is, which is this, man?
Strings.
Yeah.
Strings, sir.
Strings we could not complete, but today and tomorrow I will try to cover as much as possible. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the remaining part also I will schedule within 3-4 days, maybe on 14th onwards, yeah, 15th onwards. Within 3-4 days I will finish the remaining things, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir.
So that our first term syllabus will be completed. Now during vacation I will discuss you about the practicals also. See, your
Yes, sir.
term 1 practical is 15 marks, term 2 practical is 15 marks. Okay. Okay, so there will be 15 marks for your term 1, and there is a list of suggested programs. Okay, these all
Okay.
most of them we have done now already. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I will send you the file also in WhatsApp group, and I will also demonstrate you how the programs are executed as per the list of experiment.
Sir,
This all we will do during
sir,
vacation, right? Practical wala. Huh?
sir, we could not write notes, sir.
Did not write notes, sir.
Sir.
Huh?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
can you send PDF, sir, of
Ah,
notes?
the PDF or PPT, what do you want?
PPT, sir, which you have shown in during classes.
That also I will send, and there is a Oswald one book is there. That is material, study material.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
that also
Okay.
I
Sir.
will send, and you can keep on referring. Right
Okay. Sir.
now, let us go for our string wala. Okay,
Yes, sir.
my dear friends.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes,
Uh,
sir.
let us see string manipulation. What is a string? How string can be manipulated? Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is string? A string is a sequence of characters enclosed in either single quotes or double quotes, or even with the help of triple quotes, right? Anything that is covered under single quotes, a pair of single quotes, a pair of double quotes, or a pair of triple quotes. Strings are immutable, they cannot be changed. Each character remains at a unique position number or index number, which goes from 0 to length minus 1 in forward direction, or minus length to minus 1 in backward direction. Let me show you the example here. Can you see here how the string is there, man? Here, what is the name of the string here? Which string is stored here? Can you tell me?
Python, sir.
Python. In case of forward indexing, it starts from 0 to length minus 1. What is the length here? How many characters are there?
6.
6. Therefore, length minus
6.
1 is 5. Since we are beginning
5.
with 0, always it will be length minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In backward indexing, it starts with minus 1 and it ends up to minus length, right?
Yes, sir.
Accessing the individual
sir.
character of string from first character to last character, every character in string is at a different index position from 0 to length minus 1 or size minus 1. For loop can be used to traverse the strings, right? We are already done, and if it's required, once again we will do it, right? Now, traversing. What do you mean by traversing, man? The name itself suggests what is traversing.
To change place.
No, traversing means traveling, right?
Sir, that is traveling, changing
Yeah,
places.
of course, changing place fine, but it is nothing but a traveling. We have to travel from first character to last character, right?
Character.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That is Python. String is what here? Python. So we'll take a loop. What is this loop?
String.
I in range 0 to length. Why I not written length minus 1 here? Can you tell me? Why I have not written length minus 1? Directly length of the string is written. Why?
Because automatically it will take -1, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
because
Yes, sir.
upper
Last
limit
digit.
minus 1 will be there always, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
As by string I. When you print string I, it will print P Y T H O N. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. What is this program, Jesse, man? Oi, string Python. Even you can take in operator also. For char in string, print ch star star. So after every character, it will print here. Getting the idea? This? You understanding this output, man?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of for ch in string? For every character in the string, after printing
It
a
will
character,
print.
print 2 stars, right?
Yes, sir.
Oi,
Did not understand, sir.
yeah?
Did not understand, sir.
Say, now, instead of range operator, it is used in character here.
Yes, sir.
Understood? For example, there is a container. In that container, Python is stored. Okay? We are
Yes, sir.
going to remove one by one character. If character is present in the container, pull it out. That is P. Next character present, pull it out. Next character present, pull it out. So till the last character, every character is pulled and printed, right? Getting the idea? Popped and printed. But after printing every character, we are telling to print a double star here. If I tell you to print a hash, after every character, it will print hash. That I will execute and show you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
this
sir.
part I will execute and show you. Print string in reverse order. Now you see what is this reverse order wala? Anybody can understand? How Python is printed reverse order? Can you see here? -1 to minus length. My dear friends.
Yes, sir.
-1 to, but why this -1 is taken? Anybody can tell me? If I give -1, if you don't give -1 in the Python example, it will be from -1 to -1 to
Minus 11.
-6 na. Only
Minus
this
6.
much is
Yes, sir.
-6 no.
Yes, sir.
But it will take only up to -1 to -5 it will take.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? That's
Yes,
why I
sir.
will add with -1 so that it should reach up to, now this will become
-6.
-7 now, right? Hey, and in the reverse step and print string. Okay, let me do with the example so that we can understand. Shall we do example
Yes.
now?
Yes, sir.
My dear friends,
Yes, sir.
you people are not opening your mouth also. Already you are in vacation mood or what?
No,
No,
sir.
Then okay, I am opening ideally now. Okay, new. Program to illustrate traversal of a string, right? Okay. Okay. Now I will take string as str. Okay. What is my string, man? My string is
Python
hey.
compute.
Computer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will print that string, right? Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
for I in range, 0 to length of what? Length of
Length of string.
length of
String.
String.
string,
String.
no?
Plus one.
Print str of index. What is the index? I. I is the index always,
I.
right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Say, where is our path, man? Hmm? Here is our path, okay? Okay. This is example of string, no? String example 1. Shall I run it now? Cadets? Rohit?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You assigned it as an external user. Why, man? Rohit? Rohit is there or not? He is waiting in lobby.
He disconnected it, sir. He got disconnected.
Then what to do now?
Change that this, sir.
Okay,
File name.
I have admitted him now. Rohit, you are joined?
Got disconnected, sir.
Now, you are connected or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now fine?
Sir, no, fine.
Fine or not?
Yes, sir.
Shall we execute now?
Yes, sir.
Let me see. Here I have taken string as a computer and I have printed that string, and here one by one character it will print. Let us check. Now computer you have printed here, right? And how it is printed within the loop, man? Hey. In every line, see one character is printed or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
My ideally has closed, man. Let us see that. Open class 11 string example. String 1. Okay. This is my example, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I don't want to print each line character. Therefore, I can give here what? To print character up there only, what I should do, man? Comma,
And
end equal
And-
to, right?
yes.
Now let us print. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Or you don't
sir.
want blank also? If you want continuous, don't give blank, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Now if I change, the string now, I will change the string as Karnataka, right? Right.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll run. Karnataka is printing.
Yes, sir.
Is it fine? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now I want to input the string. What I should do? Anybody can tell me what I should do?
Sir, n is equal to
Input,
input string
enter,
string
enter,
string.
string, right? You can enter your string. Any string you can enter while executing. See now. Enter string. Okay. What string I have entered, man?
Programming.
What string I have entered?
Programming.
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 Now you see program is printing or not?
Yes, sir.
Now I will not print this. Simply it is printing 2 times there. Right? I will just run now. Computational. I have typed the word computational. It is printing or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now, instead of range, I can use like this now. You just say, for I in str, this is very simple. For I in str,
String.
I can just print I, which is very simple. Oi, for I in str, let us check this whether it will work or not. Okay, India. See, India is printing. Oi,
Yes, sir.
now either in operator also you can use, or else you can use the range operators also. There is no problem. Now once again, I will use the range now. I will first enter the string and then I will print in the reverse order. For I in range, for I in range, for I in range, -1 to length of, minus of length of string, minus of length of string 1, comma -1. Just I will print this much. Let us see how it will print now, so that you can understand, right? Am I audible? Get it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I will enter a string now as what shall I enter? Boolean. Okay, I have entered a string Boolean. Now you see whether Boolean is reversely printed or not.
No, sir.
Why? What is not printed in this? Can you tell me?
B is not printed, sir.
Why?
Rest.
Why? Can you tell me why B is not printed? What correction is required in the logic here? Here it is required -1, right?
1. Yes, sir.
Here it is -1 is required. Now let us run. I will give Boolean. Now see whether it is printed reverse.
Yes, sir.
Hope you are understanding. Hello, cadets.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Simply don't say yes, sir. If you're really understanding, you tell me. Now I told you I will also show you the star and all, how to print. What is the star? Where is my ideally man? Oh, it's okay. Okay. Now example 2, I in range zero to length of string, right? Now let us run this, whether it is working fine or not. What string I have entered, man? Hey,
Welcome.
welcome is printing now. Now after every string here, after printing the character, okay, I want some symbol like star star 2 times, comma. Now let us run.
Yes, sir.
So I will print same welcome here. See now, after W 2 stars, after E
Yes,
2
sir.
stars. Getting the idea?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Now, instead of double star, what I can do here? I can give a hash. Let us check now. Welcome. See, hash is printed after every character.
Yes, sir.
This is how.
Sir, it is.
Tell me.
Yes. We can give gap also in hash, sir,
Between hash
between hash and letter, sir.
and we can give one gap here. Shall I leave this gap?
Yes.
Now let us run. See now, between letter and hash there is a gap or not?
Yes, sir.
As many as gaps you want, you can give, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me move here now. The above code will print Karan. Karan is printed as Narak. Understand? Hey,
Yes, sir.
given string is Karan, but the reverse string is Narak. Karan will
Narak.
become Narak, right?
Yes, sir.
Same logic I have written here, right? Hey,
Yes. Yes, sir.
this is the logic, right? Okay, this is counting how many OLs are there. That basic operators. Now I would like to show you 1 second an interesting part. Yeah, this I wanted to show you. Okay, at index 0, what is that? 1 second. I want to print at 0 also, that one also. This I wanted to show you, right? Hello,
Yes, sir.
let us do that. Save as example 3. No, to have it more clear, in forward direction also I will print, in backward direction also I will print. Okay, let me take
Yes.
to understand this. Let me take welcome. Okay, I will take a string as a welcome. This I will not print now. Now I want to print what is the, okay, in each line I will print now what is the index and what is the value at that index. Let us run this. Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is the index and what is the character stored as there? Let us check this. Can you see here? What is the index? 0, W. At 1,
E.
more symbolically, if I want to write, what I can do here, I can give a symbol here, like this symbol, bracket, then the value of I, and then what? Once again, in quotes, closing wala. Now, within I, it will properly will print the value. Let us check now how it will print now. Hope, can you understand now?
Yes, sir.
At index 0, what is there?
W.
At index
W.
1,
E.
E.
totally how many characters are there in welcome?
7.
7.
So, therefore, index varies from 0 to
6.
6.
what type of indexing it is? Forward indexing or backward indexing?
Forward.
Forward.
Isn't it? Now, let
Yes,
us
sir.
try
Yes,
to
sir.
print backward indexing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what changes I have to do here?
Length string minus 1.
Minus length.
No, within the same loop I want to print. Is it possible
Reverse of string.
or not?
No, sir.
Why?
Possible.
Comma,
Possible.
see,
String.
string of minus I. String of
Minus.
minus I will print, just for your information. Let us check what it will print. Then I will do the necessary changes, right? Can you see here what it is printing, man?
Yes.
No, W should print here, no?
Yes, sir.
So, first time,
Sir, can we give another one statement, sir? Print
another loop or another statement?
loop, sir.
Now, here, string of length of string. Let me see what it will print now. Whether it will print the last character. What is the error, man? Length of string. Okay. What is the length of the string it is printing here? Length of string.
String of length.
Huh?
Yes.
Every time it should print string of length. Okay. I will give minus I. Length of string minus I. Okay. Length of string minus 1. Minus I. Let us see what it will print. What is the problem here? String length of string. Index
Sir,
out of range. Why it is out of
take
range?
another loop, sir.
Huh?
Another loop.
We'll take another loop. Okay, now it
Yes,
is
sir.
printing properly. Let me check. Okay, it is printing now correctly.
Yes, sir.
Now I want for I in range. In a reverse way, I will go now. What is the reverse way? Length of string.
String
Length of
minus
string to
minus string of length.
minus length of string to 0 in the step
0,
of -1.
1,
Let me see. Let me
comma.
check now. Okay. Shall we check it? Print. What I have to print now? Hey,
I,
symbol, comma I, comma
comma,
closing
bracket close.
symbol,
String
comma str of I.
I.
Let us check this now.
Yes, sir.
Shall we check it?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
What is the problem here? Here I have not given
Double
colon, right?
colon.
Huh? What happened?
It is not taking that second loop on.
Huh?
Not printing second loop.
What happened?
Not printing second loop.
What is the problem? Print I. Why second loop is not printing? Length of string.
It should be -1 length of. Yes, sir.
Okay, I will remove this. Let us see here. Some problem is here. What is the problem here? Print, comma I. What is the problem here, man? Is there any mistake in the syntax? Okay, length of string is how much now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Should print from -1 only, na? Okay, -1 to -1 to minus length of string -1,
Yes, sir. -1.
comma. Let us
Comma.
check now.
Yes, sir.
What it is printing, man? Is it correct?
Sir.
Whatever is at 6, it is at -1. Whatever is it is at 5, at it is -2. Whatever is at 4, whether it is in -3. Can you understand? Hello?
No, sir. No, sir.
Not understanding?
No, sir.
Okay. Oh. Now I will leave one gap here to understand.
Yes, sir.
Let me run. Now this is forward indexing, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is backward indexing, right?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Shall I show you that picture so that you can understand?
Everything is printing in reverse.
No, I will just show you here. Can you see here? If W is at 0, in negative indexing it will be at -7. Hey,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
if it E is at positive index at 1, then it will be at -6. If L is at positive index 2, that is at -5. Getting the idea?
Hi.
Either it
Yes,
is
sir.
0 to length -1 or it is -1 to length minus length. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are understanding this? Dear
Yes, sir.
friends, you are understanding this or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
This is the welcome string, right? This is the welcome string, and this is the positive index, and this is the negative index.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not? Leave about this
Yes,
logic. Okay, leave about that logic. If you want side by side, that also we can do. How the side by side means what, man? Now this -1 should print here, then -2 should print here, or -7 should print here, -6 should print here. Can you print that? Anybody can tell me how to print that, man? Yeah,
End slash.
it should be only one loop. It should not
Yes.
be two loops now. This I don't want now. I will keep it in the
Yes, sir.
triple quotes now as a comment. Okay. Now within the loop it should print that also. How we can do? Anybody can tell me? Ah, okay. Here I will take j equal to length of string. J is having a length. Length is how much, man? 7, no?
7 minus
Huh?
7.
Length is
Yes, sir.
7, no? So what I will do here, immediately I will beat that symbol, comma, the value of j, comma, the closing bracket. Okay? Every time I will reduce the value of j as 1. J equal to j minus 1. Let us check now.
1.
Let us check this. Let us check.
Yes, sir.
Can you see here?
Should be
But
minus,
only
sir.
minus
Should
symbol
be
it is not printing, right?
minus of length.
Minus symbol
Print.
also will print, no? What is the problem there?
Yes, sir.
Where is my program, man? Okay. I want to print a minus symbol means what I should do, man? Here I
J
should
is
give
equal to minus.
minus j I have to give, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now let us run.
We can give in J also.
Now you see. Oi.
Yes,
First
sir.
bracket indicates forward indexing. Hey, ಯಾರದಿರಲ್ಲಿ ರಜು ಯಾಕೆ ಏನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಡೆದದು ಈಗ ನೀವು ನಾಷ್ಟಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನ ಹಾ ಮಾಡ್ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡು ಓಕೆ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಾವ್
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
how it is a forward indexing and backward indexing? How I did backward
Understood,
indexing,
sir.
man? I have taken the length of the string as a
Length
j,
of string.
and here I have printed forward, and here I have printed backward with minus sign,
Backward.
right?
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Yes, sir.
India is my dream. I have given this statement now, right? Hey,
Yes, sir.
save and run. Let us check. See, man? India is my dream. What is the number of characters there? What is the size? Can you tell me?
17, sir. 17.
including blanks.
Yes, sir.
Blanks between two words are there right here. One,
Yes, sir.
2, 3. Okay, this is what your forward indexing
21.
and
Yes, sir.
backward indexing. Why time is over, no, man?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Already
Session
it
is
is
not
late
ending
by 5
only.
minutes.
Our session is not
No,
ending
it will
only.
end.
Sir, you joined late, sir. That is why.
Hey, not like that, man. Sessions are always scheduled, no?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Huh? Okay, no
Now it
problem.
will end. Sir.
If you want, I will continue this string in the even vacation also for 3-4 periods. If you are interested. Okay, otherwise no problem. So tomorrow officially we'll have last class, right?
Yes, sir.
Shall we close
Tomorrow?
now? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Shall we
Yes,
close
sir.
now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right, okay, bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.